Is silent in line really serve a purpose? Or is it just the way we've done school all of our lives and now we're kind of stuck there? Is it better off to say to kids, we're getting in line? That means to look around. Are there doors open? Is this a number one voice level? I mean, I'm all over those voice level things. I think they're great, teach kids how to guide that, how to turn the regulator up and down, in their voice level. But I think we get stuck in these one size fits all places where we're in line, silent. And then we line up 50 or 100 kids in the cafeteria and we have them all lined up and say, we're not going out until everybody's quiet. Well, that's just unrealistic. I mean, you can't line up 80 people and say, and especially if you're 6 and say, like, absolutely silent. That's just controlling. I just don't agree. I don't get it even serves a purpose. It's like, get them outside, get them out. If you're having problems in places like hallways and cafeteria or something like that, ask yourself, are we lining up out in the tarmac all together? Nobody can come in until all the lines are silent. And then we're picking the most quiet line to go in. I'm just wondering if that's really serving a purpose, or is it just something we've always done?